Yeah, hi everyone. Welcome back to SK Technologies. So, in this video, I will explain you what are the regularly people are facing the issues when they are connecting to the EC2 mission at the first time. So, I will show you how to create the EC2 mission and I will try to log in through Putty. So, at the beginning, definitely you will get a issue if you are creating the .pem file. So normally the .pem file is Putty is not supporting. So you have to convert as a .ppk file. Either you can convert or there is another method, simple method. So I will explain that simple method step by step. Then you can go and try to log in through Putty. So I already logged in my AWS console. So let me quickly create a new server. Okay. So click on the launch. Give a name like any name you can if you want you can give any name. So SK Tech test server. Okay, so come down, select any AMI. So Amazon, I am going with the default AMI and instance type also T2 micro. So here main thing key pair, you have to either create the new key pair or you can use the exist key pairs also. So I'm having SKTech Lohit, this is the key pair. Then remaining all the default values, simply click on launch instance. Okay, seems AMI having issue, so you can refresh the page, you can cancel this. Sometimes AMIs will making the issue. So click on launch instance again, then let it be. So meantime I will provide the name SKTech test mission. Okay, so AMI AWS has selected. Oh, it's making issue, I'm not sure. Even this also making issue. Don't worry, this is the AMI issue, not our fault. It's a AWS. So nowadays frequently I'm getting this issues whenever I'm trying to create the EC2 instance. At the time you can refresh the page. Yeah, after refreshing now it looks good. Go with this one, default one, and T2 micro key pair. Go with the exist key pair. You can use the exist key pair for new instances, not an issue. And all the network you can go with default size, everything. Launch instance. See, it is launching your instance. Cloud is very fast, guys, so it will reduce your time if you go with any activity. So let me view all instances. Hardly it will take 2 minutes for creating and installing operating system also. See, create has been created. Okay, I think I given the name. It's not reflected. Anyhow, I will give here SKTech test. Okay, now let me log in through Putty. I already installed the Putty software. Let me open the Putty. I already installed this software. If you are not sure, please, it's very simple only. Go and download this if you are not having. Then provide the public IP. So let me provide my public IP here in the host and simply hit enter. So accept this and provide a EC2 name, your username. Default user is EC2 user. We know that one. See, no support authentication methods available for this server because whatever the key you have downloaded, you used, that is the in the pem file .pem file type. Okay, so which will not support for your putty directly. So now what we need to do, we have to avoid that, we have to disable that through SSH that one. So we have to enable the password authentication feature. I will show you. So for this, as usual, you can log in with through pem file. Okay, so I saved my pem file in this location. Let me show you SK Technologies pem files. So this is the location, this is my pem file which I used. So Let me open the CMD here, and command is to log in your server first time. Okay, so command is ssh-i your pem file name. Okay, this is my pem file name. Then username EC2 user at the date public IP. This is the public IP. So this is the command. Enter. Yes, that's it. See, without prompting any password, I logged in. You can verify who am I. So now what you need to do, you need to switch to the root user with help of this command. I switch to root user. Let me verify. Then you have to edit one file called as a /etc /ssh/sshd underscore config. This is the file. Okay, so inside this file, let me make the numbers, line numbers. So line number 65, come down. 65. This is the, by default it said disabled. No, showing no, right? Disabled. Password authentication is no. You have to enable it. How will you enable? Edit this, go at the last line, last, then type just simply S, then save the file. That's it, guys. So how will it will reflect the changes means you have to restart the service systemctl restart sshd, that is the service name. Now you can reset the password for the EC2 user with the help of the passwd command. Then you can open the putty. See, I will log out. I will log out from the command line. So I will close this. Now I will open the putty. Okay, so this time let me log in with the putty. Okay, so provide your IP address, enter. Let me increase the font size, guys. Give me a minute. So I already saved some settings actually. So let me provide the IP address is 65 65.2.172.130. Same IP I am given. Yes, font is now looks good. EC2 user. See, this time it is asking the password. Earlier you had a issue, right? Earlier you had that pop-up, no authentication provided for this server. A kind of issue we face, right? So this time I am not getting any issue. So with this same IP, you can go and open your putty. Then you can try anywhere. You can try anywhere. You can log in the server through remotely. Okay, so that is the use of the SSH login, remote login. Fine. So if you don't have the SSH login, then only wherever your PEM file is exist at that time, from that machine only you can able to log in. Okay, so that is the main issue. So if you simply go and edit that /etc/ssh/sshd underscore config file at the line number 65, you can enable, save the file, save the changes, then restart the service systemctl sshd, sorry, systemctl restart sshd, then reset the password for the EC2 user, then you can go and log in. That's it, guys. So if you face any issues, let me know in the comment section. I will try to sort it out. Okay, thank you.